Thoughtful kitchen layouts are more than just a visual upgrade for your home. They are a catalyst for transforming daily routines, enhancing the way you cook, entertain, and connect with family and friends. A well-designed kitchen becomes the heart of the home, a space where functionality and style seamlessly intertwine to support every aspect of modern living. Today's most popular kitchen layouts each offer distinct advantages tailored to diverse lifestyles. Open-concept kitchens, for example, dissolve barriers between cooking, dining, and living spaces, inviting natural light to flood in and fostering an atmosphere that is both bright and welcoming. These expansive designs encourage social interaction, making it easy for hosts to engage with guests or keep an eye on children while preparing meals. U-shaped kitchens, on the other hand, wrap work surfaces around the cook, maximizing counter space and creating efficient, clearly defined work zones, an ideal setup for passionate home chefs who value organization and workflow. L-shaped kitchens make clever use of corner space, providing ample room for movement and easily accommodating versatile additions such as central islands or intimate breakfast nooks. This layout is perfect for families who enjoy casual dining or need a flexible area for homework and conversation. Galley kitchens, characterized by their parallel counters, are a smart solution for compact homes or apartments. Their streamlined design keeps everything within arm's reach, making meal preparation swift and efficient even in the smallest of spaces. Meanwhile, island-centric layouts place a multifunctional hub at the center of the kitchen, a true gathering spot that serves as a prep area, informal dining table, extra storage, and a stage for lively conversations. Modern kitchens are defined by a host of innovative features that elevate both aesthetics and practicality. Generous natural light, introduced through expansive windows, skylights, or glass doors, not only enlivens the space, but also enhances mood and well-being. Carefully chosen materials and finishes, such as resilient quartz countertops, artistic tile backsplashes, and richly textured cabinetry, imbue the kitchen with character and sophistication. The integration of smart technology has become increasingly prevalent, with voice-activated appliances, discrete under-cabinet lighting, and built-in charging stations streamlining daily tasks and adding a touch of futuristic convenience. Storage solutions have evolved to meet the demands of modern life, with features like pull-out trays, custom pantries, and ingeniously designed corner units, keeping clutter hidden and essentials close at hand. Statement elements, whether it's a boldly patterned backsplash, a mix of contrasting materials, or dramatic pendant lighting, infuse the kitchen with personality and visual flair, turning everyday moments into memorable experiences. Personalization lies at the core of contemporary kitchen design. Homeowners are expressing their individuality through curated color palettes, unique decorative accents, and striking feature walls, ensuring that each kitchen feels like a true reflection of its inhabitants. Sustainability is also taking center stage, with a growing emphasis on eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient appliances, and finishes that minimize environmental impact. Looking ahead to 2025, the evolution of kitchen design is set to embrace a harmonious blend of minimalism and functionality. Expect to see open, airy layouts that balance spaciousness with thoughtfully organized zones, creating environments that are not only beautiful, but also deeply practical. In this new era, the modern kitchen will continue to serve as a vibrant, adaptable space, one that nurtures creativity, fosters togetherness, and supports the rhythms of contemporary life.